All right, last one for a minute. Can I catch my breath after this?
You did confirm the trade.
Didn't we look at this yesterday? GLC?
Yeah.
Did you find out new information about
It
it?
needs tires replaced and it needs front brakes are at 10s, the rears are at 7s.
Well, she's in a lease, right?
Correct.
So what's worse, her remaining payments or the
There's 15
equity?
payments left.
Oh, wow. What's her hybrid trade number? 29317.
Correct. The tires are gone. She has 2 keys.
Anything else?
No.
We don't
Car's
know
in good
anything.
shape.
Are you sure?
That's what she told me. She's had a lot of cars from us.
That doesn't change the condition of the current car, buddy.
So
I'm just saying, if this shows up and it's all beat up, then what?
then we have to revisit the numbers.
I just want to make sure that we're clear about
Conversation we
that.
have to have, yep.
Because I don't know why. I just have this feeling like you didn't really.
No, I did.
Ask.
I always do. I always do.
Your car's in good condition, right? All right, so we're on. Is this a retired demo?
That's the retired red demo.
Red? This is red?
Yes. Patagonia.
She like the red?
Mm-hmm.
Red with AMG line.
In Nava.
Hot.
She has PEP, we need 10,000 miles a year in maintenance at the sweet spot term.
10.
Maintenance, fleet, show me first payment, 25, 35 babies.
You think that they'd be able to pull programs in faster? Apparently not. One more time, her hybrid number,
29,317.
which puts us 4342 in the hole.
Right.
Is she over miles at all?
No, not yet. She's got 1,100 miles to go.
Oh, so she's close. Wow, 1,100 miles to go with 15 months left,
Mhm.
and we're doing a 10,000 mile a year lease.
Yes.
You know we're going to end up right back here again.
Go to 12.
She's driving 15.
Show her 12.
Just telling you, right? She's not driving 10,000 miles a year. Not even close.
Dougie, what do you usually do? Just come to
Oh, I
work,
drive
get
18,000
family
miles.
stuff. Oh, I know you do.
I do. I already got 13. I got 14,000 miles on the car, and it's not even a year old yet.
What do I do? Sorry.
How are you on miles? 'Cause
About
that's-
12 a year.
That's what I thought.
I don't. Mom drives 30,000 miles a year.
You kidding me?
She has 65,000. No, she has 75,000 miles on her 2021.
Hey, real
RAV4.
quick. You said fleet. What is it? That's an employer fleet.
Correct.
I'd have a
And
coronary.
it is active.
That's all the way up to $5,000.
So
Any money at signing?
show me first payment, 25 and 35.
That's pretty dang good.
What?
This lease payment.
What is it?
You're gonna have to wait and find out, buddy.
She's paying 600 right now.
Well, not that good.
What is it at?
802 a month, just first payment at signing, maintenance included, 4342 in negative equity that we're paying off for her, and it's a $58,000 car almost. Plus we're going up in miles a little bit because we're gonna end up right back in this position again. This still isn't enough miles for her, but it's better at least.
What car's going to get her close to 600 to 650 a month that we have in stock right now?
Do we have any GLB or GLA demos left? GLBs were pretty
Let's work
picked
GL.
apart
Let's
on.
work.
Well, I gotta see if we even have any left. Oh, we have 2 left and one of them's red.
We'll run that.
Because that will have the residual bump incentive as
Mhm.
well. And it's about $6,000 less expensive car. Oh, wait a minute, that is the wrong one. That is the Starling car. All right, so this car's about $4,000 less expensive. So this gets us to 718
With what down?
first payment. So that's about as close as we're probably gonna get with her negative. Buddy, do you always have your clicks on like that? Holy cow, that is loud. That is very stimulating.
It'd be 780 with $1,500 down, right, on this?
Yes,
15. No.
696.
She said if you can get to 780 at $1,500 down, then she'll do this deal in the C class.
Well, I think that's where it's gonna be, so.
Here, she's like, forget about the GLB.
780.
She said the GLB's not worth it. I like the car look better.
All right. Yeah, we're there. Here you have it just in case. That's the GLB and see.
No, I know. She said forget about the GLB.
Now that you crumpled it up, she's gonna want to see that. You know that. I'm just telling you, that's how it goes.
No.
If you hadn't crumpled it up, we wouldn't
What's
need
that
it.
look like?
All righty. Now, Colin, I love you, but I cannot stress this enough. We really need to look over that car when it comes in.
You nervous? I'm not nervous.
I'm just saying, I don't want that car to get here, and it's got a cracked windshield, the bumper's falling off, something like that, and we just like are like, oh, we'll figure it out later, right? Because you know who's got to figure it out later?
You do.
My wallet has to figure it out later.
Oh, don't say that, babe.
That's what happens, and I'm not going down that road. You know what I mean. All right, we cool?
Mm-hmm.
All right.